Okay. So let us understand. So we have learned even about the digital media. So because it is very important to perform this digital marketing. So one is internet we need, the digital devices we need, and the digital media also we need. What exactly mean by digital media? So any media which can be encoded in the machine readable format is called as digital media. Like any software, any image, digital image, any video. Nowadays, if you understand, the people are promoting movies with the help of video games, right? And again, web pages or websites. Then, yes, we call it as social media. Then again, we have the audio files, video files, e-books sometimes, right? So, podcast also we have sometimes. So, these all are nothing but the digital media. So, you need to select the right digital media when you want to promote your product or service online. Okay. So otherwise we need to first initially we need to this is what the first step you can consider. So we need to prepare the digital media first. What all the types of digital media we need, right? How many different types of digital media we need. Okay. So we need to prepare that. So one digital media what we have learned. So suppose if you consider this one. So this image that you have seen, what is this image called? Can anybody tell me what is the image called? This is also a digital media, right? Can you guess? Okay. So that is first of all, it is an image. The media type is image, and but again, we have extended that. It is an infographic, like information in the graphical format. Information in the graphical format. So why do we need this? Because this is one of the tool actually. Infographic is one of the tool through which we can better communicate the message with the people. We can better communicate the message with the people with the help of infographics. So in online you can find infographics on any topic you take. Okay, because if I type something you may say that no sir, you are already know that you are well prepared, so that is the reason why you are showing all such things. I don't want to get into such kind of statements or arguments. So now you tell me, you take any business or any product or any service, just to type, tell me that anybody, any product name or service name you tell.
Grocery store.
Yeah, which one? What is your product? Cryptocurrency. Who is interested in that? Murlidharan, cryptocurrency. Are you losing money? How much money you have lost? Are getting into that? Only exchanger. Okay, initially it will happen. You are not doing anything, but slowly. So that is also one kind of like disease. What happened with the stock market? The same thing happened over here. I'm not discouraging, but this is not the right age, or that is not our financial background to get into all such kind of things. Okay, so never get into that. My sincere advice. Okay, anything else? Maybe I may need to learn something from you, but sure. But anyhow, government is that also. Let us see that. So cryptocurrency infographic. Okay, see here the evolution of infographic, Bitcoin. So lot of information which is available to you. Okay, so that means when somebody wanted to present some idea, so these things are readily available with them. So just they need to talk about something. So here it is a sample message they have given, but it is this overall structure they are giving it to you, right? So likewise, any information, like already people have prepared something. So now if you want to convey some good message, okay, so it is very difficult for you to get designed all these things. But the world is so helpful for you because the whole Google has born only to help me actually to grow, right? Everything is there. Just I need to copy and paste it and use it, right? So likewise, you can present. So whenever you have your own data also, any information also, you can always plan these kind of infographics as the tool. Okay, so that is the reason why there is a separate slide in my entire PPT, because this is one of the tool actually. We as a digital marketer, you should play with these kind of tools actually. So you wanted to convey something to the other people, so you can better convey something. So you can better, you just create a social media page and post all this kind of good information about your product or services, and you branding with perfect branding, like you just add your logo to these images, then you are done. Like you can automatically the people perceive you as a brand because you are see giving the quality information to them, right? Suppose if I take English infographics, I am talking about. On English also, you have lot of infographics. Okay, so you remove the all the other logo. I will show you that also. Suppose I take this image and if you right click on it, it will open an image. Pinterest has already banned me. It won't allow. Okay, you have the good content. Okay, so this is the Pinterest image, right? I am saving it.
Sir,
Yeah,
what if we copy that and give there our logo?
nothing. See, that is what.
Won't
No, no.
there be?
Huh?
So I want to ask, won't there be any copyright issue and all
No,
if we are copying the same content and adding it on our page and adding there with our logo?
no.
Okay,
Okay.
as they are easily available on Google already,
Yes,
so there won't be any copyright issue, right?
yes, you can use it.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so now I am taking so English. I'm just typing that only. Okay, so I got that image now. So what I'm doing, I'm telling you very simple method. So go to your paintbrush, paint, MS Paint, everyone will have that. So open the file. I'm taking this, open like this, right? So there is a tool in this. I can just make this, select this and delete this. Okay, and even I don't need this one also at the bottom. I'm just deleting that. Okay, now I have the perfect one. Now if I want to name, okay, my logo, if I want to put over there, so I'm just adding, going this. Already I have some PNG type, like the transparent without background images. We need to prepare all those kind of stuff in advance. So there is a lot of work you need to have, you need to do at your end. So there is no logo. Yeah, we can add my photograph, but later on. First, yeah, logo is important. Okay, so now I'm taking this image, that is with white background. I need something without background. Yeah, so here we have that logo. So now whether if you want to put it at the bottom or on the top, you decide. Okay, done. So now I don't need the space on the top, so I just select all and move it. Right, so then make it. So here again, go to file, save as another PNG image. So this is the, okay, so now what happened? You have come up with your own infographics, with your branded infographics, and the people feel or perceive, because every image is again the branded image, right, with your logo. The people think that you are very serious about your business and you are creating this. So the people would like to like your pages, they subscribe sometimes or they follow your page. So that is how, see, this is showing that you are perfect, you are the serious business man, right? You are putting all efforts so that to convey something or teach something. So if you want to become easily, like if you want to promote your product or service on every topic or service, you would find these kind of infographics. So take those infographics, use it and rebrand it with your name. Okay, and also read the content. It should be the genuine content. If something like lorem ipsum just now I have seen, so it there will be no meaning for that. So it must be a useful content so that the people like it. Okay, so likewise you can start sharing that. So what exactly requires over here? Just your seriousness, right? The world is already prepared everything for you. Yeah, world is already everything they have prepared for you. So just you need to use it. That's it. See here, how much content you need. You get all the content, different type of content. If you give salary to a graphic designer and ask them to create all these things, it is even they can't do these many things, and it needs a lot of time you need to invest. Now you need to plan something like only punctuation related infographics for some time, like couple of, like you need to have such content, and again writing, again the speaking, okay, and the grammar. So something on that. So and something on the models, something on the comparatives. Okay, so come something on the superlatives. You decide the structure and you post all these kind of content. So you need to have such kind of planning, and you gather all the infographics as and when you have the time, and you post it in an order on your Facebook page or LinkedIn, everywhere. The people like it, right? So it is really an excellent job. So you are not spending even a single rupee, but you are creating the great value for your business. Okay, this is one of the very important aspect. And then you will come to know automatically. See, somebody has explained these tenses in a very nice way. See,
Yes, sir.
got it? So what is
Yes, sir.
past, present, future? So, but they did the branding over there at the back end, right?
Ah,
So I want to remove
given
that.
the watermark.
So there is only key English, right? Watermark is on that.
Yes, watermark.
Yeah. So let me show you how to remove that also.
Is it so? Is it possible?
Yeah, we'll do anything. That is what the magic. Okay. So I'm opening
Yes,
this
sir.
image.
Copy paste is also an art.
Yeah. Copy paste is also an art. Yes. Okay. So now I'm again doing the same thing. Okay, see, it is not possible always, but for some time, so if you apply your brain, it is possible. Okay, so now open this. Okay, I'm just doing this kind of things. I'm just zoomed it. Okay, so now, so there is a color picker. I'm just picking the color now. So this is the color picker. Whatever color you pick, it will take that color. Okay, so this is that color I'm picking up. Now I'm just copying this up to here. Control C, Control V. I am getting this. So there is a holder. Yeah.
So there are also some expansion points. Can't we use and expand that instead of doing that copy paste again and again?
No, I'll show you all the methods. So this is one thing I'm showing you because see sometimes very simple things you just need to do. Done. So you have removed that. So now I'm showing you another method. So you take any object like this. So I'm picking up the color, like this. to take this shape. Okay. See, I'm just selecting that up to here. Delete. Okay. So now you have the color picker. Pick up this color. Fill this color. Done. Very easy method. Up to here selecting. Delete it. Use the color picker. Fill bucket. Done. Right. So the first method, it is also required sometimes. The second method also required sometimes. So this is how easily you can fill up that. Now you just see, no one will tell you or identify that you have copied this message or infographic for somewhere else. Got it? The same image, if you want to get it redesigned, just imagine how much time it requires, how much it may cost you.
Yes, sir.
Got it? So these
Yes.
things, you gather all this kind of stuff and organize it and present it at the right time. Okay. And if you want to engage your branding also, put your logo at the bottom. Every time you remember, you need to apply your logo at the same place, whether it is bottom center or bottom left, bottom right, or top right, top left, top right, top center. So that you need to decide. Then all the images should go in the same way. Got it? Is it easy now,
Yes, sir. You
guys?
made it very simple.
You got the content now, whatever the content you need, and nothing to worry at all. See, that is what I'm saying. The whole world, okay, so those people have bond only to help me,
Yes, sir.
right? So this is how the old world is there. So now we are in very, like, we are very fortunate that world is so kind for us, like so open to us. Got it? So these many things you can do, and you can make wonders also with this. You can collect. So as and when you have the time, so get the good information and you present it. See here, somebody is presenting this one. So let me open this image, the bigger image. Wow. What they are, do you text? What is that? A lot of people are texting. 8 trillion people are texting. Okay, texting isn't something. So this is one kind of, how does texting. So they are only talking about the texting technology, the usage of it, and all those things. So here they have onlineschools.com for every chapter of your education. So they are branding that. So you can just remove that and you can rebrand it. Okay. So something, if it is useful, you can use that. Otherwise, what do I do is, suppose if this kind of text is not useful for me. So what do I do when I have the time? I'll create the template of it. So how do I create the template of it? I just remove all the text from that, so that I'll get only the perfect uh, graphics over there. I remove all the text so that I can use this text later on in my any kind of a presentation, or if I want to promote anything. Only I may take this one also. Let us take this one. I'm showing you another way now. I like only this part. Okay, it is really good, right? Up to here. So I am just showing you another method now. Something which is up to here I need. Okay, good. I need only this kind of stuff, and in between I wanted to add my own text with that. So now what I'm doing, there is another tool in our system which is called snipping tool. Everybody can have that snipping tool. I'm just selecting that. Okay, I need only this part, this portion. Okay, got it up to here. So I'm just saving it. Okay, so now let us go to paintbrush again. Okay, you got this image. Now what I do need is, I don't need there's even a national championship. I'll use it as and when I require, but I don't need the text at all for this. So what I'm doing, I'm just selecting the same thing now. Okay, so here also done. Pick color, fill bucket. So there is a shape mismatch. So better you recolor it for the whole graphic over there, like this. Okay. Then again, if you want to do it for here also, you can do it. Right. So there is a small portion which is left. So here also you can do that, or leave it, no problem. So that is also one effect it is giving, like folding effect if it is giving, right? So you can leave it. Then you have this text. Done. Okay. I have the complete template ready with me now. I can make it as save as template 1, right? It is the template 1. So now what I do, if I want to use that image to present something, okay, wherein this is what my PPT, and I'm creating a new image now. I'm creating a new slide. So if I want to present the same information over here, okay, so what do I do? Just see, insert picture. So I didn't clean the borders for it. So let me clean the border for it first. Okay, so now it is, I think, perfect. I'm just using that up and down arrow buttons so that it looks very neatly. Yeah, close. Because then in the previous image it was showing a right hand side border. I don't want that. So insert picture, then this one. Looking good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what I'm doing, so this is what my text, Control C. Now I can change the text color and font size. Done. Now I have this content. Then again copy and paste it. Okay, you can present it up to here whatever you want. So you continue the same thing if it is a lengthy one, including social media, or I don't need digital media, any media that is encoded in machine readable format, data imagery, digital video, video games, uh, web pages, website, up to this one. Done. Even if you want, you can take this also, this way also can. Done. Now you observe. So it is giving a rich feeling, right? Rich look to my content. So whenever you want, whatever the graphic you need, so this is how you can create, okay, your own images by only the part of the image. If you like, even you can do that, you can take that, okay. So this is how you can come up with a new presentation, right? So simply now I am giving a rich look to my PPT. Earlier it was only plain one. Now if I keep on using this, especially for all the topics or some bullet point, chapter name, something, I can use this template, right? Wherever I require, at least initially for every thank you or chapter one. Okay, so at the top I write chapter one and the bottom I will write the chapter name. That is also good, right? So likewise, you may use this infographic wherever you require. So you create these kind of assets in advance if you need. See, if you observe, I have created so many things in advance for me, so that as and when I need any ad, okay, I don't need to sit with the graphic designer because already I have prepared all the templates for me. Just I need to plan the content and the message what exactly I wanted to say, and here I have all the messages readily available, like something like this. Okay, we have just started another new project. So there you remove this, and if you want to add anything, you can add. Okay, so basically how we got it? So I have created a template for it. Now whatever I want, immediately I can convey some message, and I don't need to depend on the graphic designer at all, right? Because I have the concept already. So I have all the concepts. So whenever I come across the good concepts, something like this, okay, I have prepared everything and I'm using it. So I whenever I need, I can use that. Okay. The moment I get any kind of like I need, if I want to present something, I have this, so I can put some something on this also, right? So the moment I come across any good concept or good the graphic designing part, immediately I will save it and store it so that I can use it later on. Okay. So here we have the awareness, interest, decision and action, and if you have another 4 steps also, you can remove that and you can use it for that. Got it? So likewise, see, simply we can use a lot of images. Now this graphic designing, I just need to remove this one and the logo, and I can put my own content over there. So I can create a new template altogether over there. So likewise, I have created the templates like this. There is a template readily available for me. Just I need to put my points over there and publish. So do we need any extra tools over here for a graphic designing or something to create this kind of rich images? See, I took it from the LinkedIn now. Okay. So this is completely how rich image it is looking like, right? And I can convey anything if I want, the message over there. That's it. Got it? So these all are the things, as and when you have the time, you this is all what you need to do regularly. This must be one of your practice. So there are some digital marketing course something. So I remove this branding over there, and yes, if I want I can remove this also, and I can use the entire image. Who stops you? Got it? So this one is also good template, you can say, and yes, you can remove these things and you can add. Likewise, you can make a lot of orders. You can do a lot of things actually. Okay. Anyone, if they know Photoshop, just the feather, you can even remove the text without a background. So those kind of skills also. Yes, yes, it is good if you use the Canva, but I think this one is easier than the Canva. Okay, maybe. So you decide that, but yes, if you have this kind of infographics, you can create it over there. You can create, but in this way, you can do a lot of things, right?
By, yes, sir. And by doing this, it looks effective. So it gives next level things.
Yes, it will change the complete perception. You are doing something awesome job or great job actually. Okay, that is how the people perceive. And basically, you are doing nothing over there. It is a very simple job. But the other people think that it is very awesome or great job. Right? So I told you yesterday, right? One of your competitor is doing something. You can do and do the better things like this. Right? You have all the contact now. You have all the
Have all the
content
contact now. You have all the.
and the content structure also. And if you have a graphic designer, suppose if you have a logo, in your logo there may be three colors. Every image you must present it with the same three colors. Okay, that is what usually called branding. So you give them this image and you ask them to put it in your colors. They do the same thing. Okay, they do the same thing with but with your branding colors. In that way, all the images, all the colors, all these things will go in a same passion. Otherwise, if you don't want to strain that also, because as simply you are giving the multiple colors and the good picture, so you can use it as it is directly just by changing the logo. Okay, so always try to minimize the time wherever the possibility is there. Yeah, if you are really serious on this, then see 10 commonly misunderstood words in English. There may be so many kind of infographics on this. Okay, misunderstood words. You just to type, you will get infographic, misunderstood words, infographics. Only you will get the content on that. See, confused 16 verbs, everything you are getting only on the content on that only. So these 12, these 33, see here, what else you need, right? Any logo there? Yeah, so grammarcheck.net. So you have to remove this one, and at the bottom also you have to remove this, and you can put your logo over there and remove the bottom. Okay, so this is how you can present it. So 33 commonly misunderstood words. So if you want these 33 to be broken into 5 parts, that also you can do. You got the content also right now. So now it is up to you, how do you present it. Guys, learn anything? So this is how one can edit the images without any tools at all. Now, okay. Now later on, the next one is the digital marketing versus traditional marketing. As a digital marketer, we must know the differences between the major difference between the digital marketing and traditional marketing, like the advantages you can consider. So there are 7 points which are very important. As a digital marketer, we must know. The first one is the marketers can easily reach their target local audience. Not only target local audience can be reached, but as well the audience across the globe. So when I say that, you may not understand. So we'll better discuss the same point with an example. So let us consider there is a courier center in Amirpet market. So I hope everybody knows about the Amirpet, Hyderabad. What is Amirpet, Hyderabad?
No, sir.
You don't know?
No.
Okay, so Amir Institute is located, and it is also known as the educational hub, like whatever you want. Okay, so any kind of subject, any skill you want to learn, there will be an institute. Right from rocket science, okay, if you want to learn in the rocket science also, there would be any institute. If you want to learn software, any kind of software, you will be having the institute over there. Okay, so it has become
Okay.
an international hub now. So most of the time, whoever dream to become the software engineer, usually it has become a practice since more than 20 years in Hyderabad, that people come to Hyderabad and they stay in Amirpet and they join, they find the good institute, they learn the skill and they get into the companies. Okay, so that is how the people are fulfilling their dream careers. So Amirpet is again the marketplace for education. Like you have so many institutes over there. So that is one thing. Okay. Now in the same Amirpet location, okay, somebody is running the courier center. Somebody is running the courier center. So within how many kilometers anyone can run a courier center in a traditional business? Any idea, guys?
3 to 5
3 to
kilometers or
5,
max
yes,
out?
yes, maximum 5 kilometers, not more than that, because it is
Yeah.
very difficult to provide these services also. Okay, but in that also the population is limited. His business there may be a lot of competition also over there, right? But still, if you want to do the business, so it is very difficult for him to get the business or do the business, because there is the geography is limited over there. But whereas if the same courier business owner is very intelligent, and if he is using the digital marketing as one of the marketing method for his business, then just imagine how exactly he can improve his business or increase his business. Okay, now the people who belong to Amirpet locality, their one of their family members also might be living in USA, UK, and all the other corners of the globe, right? And they
Mm.
when they wanted to send something to their family or the parents or their family members over here in Amirpet, what do they type in their country? Suppose somebody is there, somebody who belongs to Amirpet, but they are living in USA. What would they type in if they want to send some courier to Amirpet? What would they type in from USA?
They will just type like how to send a courier to Amirpet or get it from there, like that.
Otherwise, what is the another best keyword? Simple keyword.
I think
Courier near to the Amirpet, like
Yes,
that.
courier services in Amirpet, right? Simple. Everyone, like if somebody is from UK also, he would also type courier services in Amirpet. Okay, from Australia also, he would also type same thing. China, if he is there, he is from there also, he would type courier services in Amirpet, right? Now, if the business is owner is intelligent enough, and if you run an ad for that particular given keyword, like he can say to the Google that, hey Google, you show only the ad as and when somebody types in so and so keyword. Okay, and wherein he displays or present his phone number, or whether the, yeah, once if he call button, if he shows and present his number, immediately what happened, the people would call that guy, and the contact can be established. So just imagine applying by taking the small initiatives. Okay, how come this guy can generate a business by using the digital marketing? Got it? Just imagine daily at least international couriers, 5 orders on each and every international order. If you make, if you can save 500 rupees, how much money is going to make every day? Every day he is going to make 2,500 rupees as extra, like 75,000 per month as an extra income. Okay, that is what. Otherwise, I'm not talking about, let us take now not international courier, but only the nationwide courier. Somebody's family member may be living in Mumbai, okay, though he belongs to Hyderabad. So they will also type courier services in Amirpet. Likewise, if they target the whole India, on each and every courier, if you make 50 rupees also, right? And if he gets at least another 10 or 20 orders like that, so 50 into 20, another 1000 rupees he is going to make, or other 5000 rupees he is going to make. Okay, 5000 into 30, again 1.5 lakh. 1.5 lakh, this business, 75,000 that business. The same courier business owner can increase or make more than 2.5 lakh with the help of this digital marketing only. And if he invest 1 lakh rupee on that also, straight shot he is going to make 1 lakh rupee. Okay, for the marketing, these things, marketing activities, marketing budgets if he spend. Got the guys? So this is the advantage. So in the traditional marketing, marketers can easily reach their target local audience. But in digital marketing, not only the target local audience can be reached, but as well as the audience from all around the globe you can reach. That is the meaning of it. Now you got it?
Yes,
The
sir.
meaning? Yes. Now the next one, traditional marketing has more personal approach since marketers can have person to person relationship in informing the public about their brand's name. But since it can reach finite audience, getting more popular is easy. There is no need to be physically present in introducing the brand names and to the audience. Again, if I explain the same thing, suppose I want to cook my audience, like somebody who has shown some interest in digital marketing. Okay, so they have clicked on my ad and they have visited my website and they have gone, right? And they didn't make any purchase, and even they didn't fill up any form also. But I know that they have visited to my website because uh, in the Google Analytics, like the cookie will be stored. So whoever has visited, their cookie will be stored. And if you are intelligent enough, and if you create that audience buckets, there is an audience buckets concept. So when we create the audience bucket, so the whoever visits your website, you can promote one video ad on YouTube. So that means if they go to YouTube anytime and they can see your video ad, and to whom you are showing your ad only to the finite audience, only whoever has visited your website. So that means if 300 people have visited your website, for 300 people only you will do that branding. Like these people, these 300 people, now you are cooking them in a right manner, right? In a strategic manner you are cooking them, so that as and when they require any new product, they can buy your product. Okay, so you are
Say it
cooking
again.
them.
How?
Hmm?
How, sir? How we are cooking them? Like
We
one
create
more
the
time.
Like,
audience.
sir,
No, no, no. So just understand the concept. How to do? See, we are now knowing what to do. Okay, how to do? We'll see
so can I
down the
ask,
line one by one. Yeah,
sir, like, whenever we visit any website and
yeah,
we found there a notification like accept our cookies.
yes.
So is it so
And
how they get
yes,
us?
once if you accept that cookies, that means you are now in their bucket.
Okay, okay.
Okay, so later on they keep on sending you the message indirectly. As and when you come online, you will be able to see their messages, and you create another different perception that yes, this person may be the right person for the training because they are the aggressive marketers in the market. That is what you perceive. But you are only cooking the 300 people, so that 300 people only think that Chetna is famous for the spoken English in my area. So there is no advertisement they are able to see, but Chetna's ads are able to see. That kind of marketing we call it as remarketing. Already they have visited your website, and to them only you are doing sending them the messages. And even we have another advanced technology, like there will be, suppose you wanted to show 4 videos to the customer, and the Google will show you. So we have such kind of technology wherein whoever was the first video, to them only the second video will be shown. Whoever was the second video, to them only the third video will be shown. Whoever was the third video, to them only like the fourth video. Likewise, the sequence you create, there is no limit for the sequence. Okay, so automatically what is happening, your videos itself are working like a salesman with that person, and you are selling a product as and when your customer has the time, as and when, because the customer is comfortable free, then he is opening, then he is able to, you are passing them the message, you are not disturbing them at all, right? So that is how Down the line, what happened? If you plan everything in a perfect manner, the customer will make up their mind and buy your product or service. Got it? See, even that is all what happens with us, right? The more advertisement you see, you think that that may be the best brand, right? That may be the best institute. That is how you get influenced, right? What happens with you when you go to the shopping mall and you wanted to purchase a shampoo? You will see whatever the ad is in popping in your brain, immediately you pick up that only. Suppose if the Tresemme is not showing the ad, now only the Sunsilk is showing the ad, you will only pick up the Sunsilk, right? Is that what happened with you or not?
Yes.
Whenever you
Yes,
pick
sir.
up that, so these things will happen. So automatically, indirectly, you are cooking your audience, you are cooking your customers with the help of the remarketing concept. So in the digital marketing, we have that kind of advantage. So this is another advantage. So in traditional marketing, because it is more personal, it is very difficult for to meet any individual, because they have to allocate the time. You should go there on time, right? Then they should listen to you patiently. So these kind of stuff will play over there. But here, comfortably, you can cook your customer. So that is the another advantage. Now, then we have the public can have hard copy of materials, of which they can read or browse through over and over again. And the public can also have access on different content on website, videos on YouTube, and video sharing website. Just imagine, guys, if you have your own business and you wanted to distribute the pamphlets or leaflets, you can say, or brochures. Just imagine what is the pain for you, what happens with you. If anybody is there, like to discuss with me, let us take Chetna. Chetna, if you have one brochure, good brochure, and you wanted to give it to your friend, what happens with you? What do you do practically?
I share them or I give them my pamphlet
Yes,
and
you
I
no,
started
yeah,
telling
yes.
about.
No. You just initially share the
Huh,
hard copy, whatever you have. In that case, what is happening?
yes.
You are losing the hard copy. Okay, that is one scenario. If you don't want to lose the hard copy, what do you do? No, you are giving them the hard copy, right? You are giving
Yes,
them
sir.
your brochure to them. That means you are losing the hard copy, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now if you don't want to lose the hard copy, then what is the next option you have?
I can WhatsApp them my soft copy.
In traditional marketing, I'm talking. In
Okay.
But
There
traditional
are
marketing,
multiple
in the
copies we
mass
have to make.
marketing,
you have to Xerox it, right? You have to make a copy of it. You have to
yes,
Xerox
sir.
it, and that. So in that case, if you
Sir.
get it Xerox, what is happening? You are losing the quality over there, right? And to get it Xerox also, you need to go somewhere else. So you have to spend some time. You have to spend some money. Though you spend the time and money, you are losing the
Yes,
quality,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
That is the problem. So if somebody want to share any good message to other also, that is also the advice is also costly over there. They have to
Yes,
lose
sir.
anything, right? But now just imagine
Yes,
if you
sir.
have the digital marketing or digital media. Now let us consider you have a brochure, okay? And the soft copy
Yes, sir.
brochure, you have it on your WhatsApp. And if you want to share it with your friend, what do?
Just forward.
Just forward. How much
Yes.
you are spending on that? How much
$0.
how much money you are spending on that? How much time you are spending on that? It's
Few
nothing.
seconds.
Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Just imagine in this way how much money any business can make or save, or how much value the business is adding. The digital marketing, how much value that digital marketing is indirectly adding the businessman.
Yes, sir.
Got it? This is also one of the important aspect. But still, the businessmen are very greedy, especially in Indian businessman. They don't spend time on even that graphic work. Okay, they don't sit with the graphic designer and get the tools to get designed for that, right? As that is their serious business, right? But even though they do not do that, once if they do only one, they invest only on one particular image, and that can be a perfect tool for them for always, right?
Yes, sir.
If they have only such kind of image, that would be the perfect image for them, right?
Yes.
How much value they can make it? So they need to get it designed, but they are not getting designed. Even the PDF books also, you can have, suppose if you don't have the mobile app. So recently I got a customer, and he came to me by saying that I wanted, like, I have a gift articles shop and I wanted to create my mobile app because I have so many products I'm unable to convey or pass on to my so customers. Then I asked him, why do you need the mobile app? So how many do you think that all the people always keep on installing your mobile apps? Nowadays the people are fed up with the mobile apps, right?
Yes, sir.
So then he asked me, what is your solution then? I asked him to create a good PDF documents. Okay. Suppose somebody says that no, I wanted to present only the watches. You create a PDF on all type of different watches, and a good PDF book on that, like wherein you mention the watch brand name, price name, and its features also, because whatever they give it on that, and you nicely present it, and you create a brochure on that. Likewise, whatever the segments you have, for all the segments you create the PDF, right? Now whenever you get an inquiry about something, you send them all these things, all the PDFs, right? Then what happens? So immediately they go and check on that, and they like it, they tell you the number, they bargain you, they Google pay you, and you take their address and you deliver it, right? How simply you can do that. So sometimes the people make the things very complex, as they really don't need it at all, but still they made it more complex. Got it? So this is how one can easily promote their business with the help of a digital media only. So that is the advantage, another advantage of the digital marketing. So when we are saying one can reach a finite audience, means most of the time we can target unlimited customers, we can target unlimited or infinite customers, something like that. Usually the people speak in the interview. So that is very wrong word. Infinite customers we cannot meet, because we will be having limited audience, like the whole world population is limited to some number, xyz number. Okay, so that is the reason why we cannot use the infinite number, and in the digital marketing we can use only the finite audience. So that is the another advantage. Now, so it can be easily understood by the public because they are already exposed to this kind of strategy, like personally going, like if you wear a, like if you represent a Samsung company, Samsung brand, what do? So Samsung will give you the dress code, so you wear the dress code and you go with all the branded bag, ID card and branded tools only. You go there and try to explain about their brand and sell your mobile phone, something like that. But what happens the moment you visit any customer, as they see that you are taking the salary from XYZ company, definitely you boast about your company, right? That is what they think, and they don't even trust you whatever you say. Okay, so though you have spent a lot of time, took the pain to visit them, you have wasted your time, money, and over there, and spending some time with them, and you are not winning the credibility over there, or you are not able to gain the trust of the customer over there. So that is the situation, very difficult situation for everyone. But with the help of the remarketing, as we can target the 24/7 our customers wherever they are across the globe. Okay, suppose somebody is in my audience bucket. Okay, somebody has visited my PPC Raw website today, and the moment next day or after 1 month, that customer may be visiting the America, USA. In US also he can see my ad. If I target the US also, there also he can see my ad, and he will perceive that, wow, it is a great company, I think, because wherever I go, this person ad is following. That means what? This may be a big company. So that is what another perception the customer, you can create it with that. And I got a very practical experience also when I was doing the ERP software promotion for one of my client. Okay, so customer went to the Goa, and he was in Goa and he was on the beach and he was relaxing with the phone. Then he got to know about our product or service. Then he responded and he has generated a call, and then he wanted to discuss with the marketing guy who has promoted that particular business, because he was very shocked that he could able to see the ad, whatever is very, very relevant ad, that too when he is in comfort, like where he is in Goa. And he just got astonished, like how did you target the Goa? Then I said, I target the whole globe, not only the Goa. You are there in my country and you have expressed your intention in this way. I captured that and I have created another campaign. So that campaign will target you automatically, because the campaign, like you are assigning the responsibility to that campaign. So that campaign job is to show the ad. At the moment you are comfortable online, it will show your ad. Got it? As you are there in my bucket. So that is the power of the remarketing. And you can do this 24 by 7. You can do this 24 by 7. Likewise, you can cook n number of customers online 24 by 7. So this is also another advantage. Okay, because in traditional marketing hardly you can meet during the working days and during the working hours only, right? But digital marketing way, you can cook your customers always 24 by 7. Got it? The moment they are free and they are online, they can see your ad. You can create all such kind of things, and still that is not at all a rocket science. Everyone can do that. Even you can also do that once if you learn the skill. So in the basics of digital marketing, we are learning only what to do, and how to do we learn later on. Okay, if you want to learn something like how to, you can make a list of how to's. Later on we can learn all the how to's. But now we are only learning what to do. Okay, so you understand there are certain concepts which you need to learn. There are certain skills which you need to learn later on. So you prepare the list of how to's. And in traditional marketing, there is a little interaction between the medium used and the customers. It is more of providing information to the public that the brand exists, with the hope that these people patronizing the brand. And interaction is very possible, especially with the use of social media network marketers. So we have discussed this also already. And print and radio advertisements can be very costly, right? So printing materials can be very expensive. This example also we have seen. But the same thing if you wanted to do with the digital marketing, is very cheap. Our results on this marketing strategy cannot easily be measured. Marketers need to conduct a survey and find a statistician to interpret results. And data and results are easily recorded with the Google Analytics. Specialists can easily check if there. So I will tell you the example for this. Suppose there is an RS Brothers or any showroom name. We have a showrooms over here like RS Brothers. So that is a textile showroom, right? In Chennai, there may be Sharavana Bhava. Okay. So different, if you want to purchase any clothes or jewelry, so you go to that store, right? In the same way, here also we have a store name called Charmas is also there, RS Brothers is there. So now what happens? On one Diwali festival, somebody ran in traditional marketing, the business owner on Diwali festival, he ran an offer like buy one or 50% discount. Okay, on the first Diwali, he has earlier Diwali, he gave the offer called 50% discount, and immediately the next time he gave another offer called buy one get one free. Buy one get one free. And now the business owner wanted to see which offer is more effective. In that case, what the business owner has to do in the traditional marketing, he has to appoint a statistician. The statistician should prepare a questionnaire, and the statistician should prepare a list of the audience to whom he can conduct the survey. And likewise, he has to conduct the survey at least with 72 people who has purchase your product when you have given the 50% discount. And again he has to conduct a survey with another 72 people who has taken the advantage of buy one get one free offer. Okay, so now you tell me guys, which offer may be very attractive? 50% discount or buy one get one free is which one is more attractive now?
Buy one, get one free.
Buy one get one free, right? So likewise, to conclude something, okay, technically the people have to deploy the statistician over there earlier in the traditional marketing, but nowadays you don't need any statistician at all. So you have all the Google Analytics and you run the campaign through digitally only. You can see the impact, how many people have signed up, how many people have engaged, how many people have called you. All the data will be there in the Google Analytics, right? And simply by analyzing the data, and you can decide which one is more effective. And the Google Analytics, the tool, is also free. The tool whichever is doing or reporting all these kind of metrics, which is also free. So likewise, you can learn, you can take the advantage of the technology. Okay, so these all are the advantages of the digital marketing. Okay, learn anything today, new thing today, guys? Okay, so that's all it for the day. So I shall conclude the